Are you thinking about a divorce, but you're not quite ready to pick up the phone and call a divorce attorney, but you want to know what to do in the meantime? The first step that you should do is look at your finances. Get copies of your tax returns, state and federal. Probably get about through 3 to 5 years worth of tax returns. You should also gather 3 to 5 years worth of bank statements, wherever you have banks, checking account, savings account, online savings account, crypto accounts, all of those, any kind of account that you have, Venmo. Pulled records for the last 3 to 5 years, depending on how long you've been married. Get a copy of your credit report so you can see what kind of credit there is that you have out there, what kind of credit cards that you might forgot about, or maybe your spouse has taken a credit card out in your name that you were unaware of. So you should have all of that information. You could also see your credit score in those credit reports. I think you can go to freecreditreport.com, for example, and you can get a free credit report each year. The next thing that you should do is start planning if you have children. Kind of figure out what your children's activities are, what a co-parenting relationship might look like with your other co-parent. A lot of dads have sometimes given the responsibility for a majority of the parenting or day-to-day parenting to their spouse, their wife, just because of the dynamics of your home environment. It works the other way around. Wives also maybe work primarily away from home, and they've done the same thing with their husbands. Either way, whoever is the primary caregiver, if you're not that person, you need to make sure that you understand your children's schedules. Who are their best friends? Where do they, I'm sure you would know where they go to school, I would hope. But, what kind of daycare do they have? What are their hours? What time do they go to bed? What are their favorite foods? All of these things that you might not really think about do come up as questions in discovery when we're looking at the issue of custody and parenting time. So you want to make sure that you have all of that as well. You also want to know what your assets are and your debts are. Again, you already pulled your credit report, so you should be able to figure out what those debts are. But you should also know, how much is your mortgage? Do you have a second mortgage on your house? Do you have a home equity line of credit? Cars, how much are those worth? You can go on to just Google NJ Courts CIS, and you should be able to get what's called a case information statement. You can start to fill something like that out, and you'll see what all of the questions are and what the court is going to look at when determining issues like equitable distribution, alimony, and spousal support. You can also get an idea of what child support might look like. There is a New Jersey child support calculator that you can Google and go online and get an idea of what that might look like for you. You can put your income, your spouse's income, in a number of overnights and get a basic number to have some idea of what you're looking at for child support, either receiving or paying. If you have any questions regarding your strategy session, you can reach out to our office at the Hunnell Law Group. The link is in the bio to set up an appointment, and we'd be happy to go over that with you. Have a great day.